Look, Johnny, they're using a bulldozer. I mean, they're using the skid steer. And they're not hitting your sandbox. You see your sandbox is okay? You see the skid steer working, dude? I wish you could have been here to see this. Took a video for you. This is all for you, little buddy Johnny. What about the crash? Oh, I forgot to ask him about that. So he'll come back and we'll talk about it. Ooh, Johnny, look at that. So cool.